I'm Stein, and today we're going over the Nexperia motor driver evaluation kit. And we're going to get ourselves set up, unboxed, get everything wired up, and having a spinning motor in no time. So first things first, we're going to open the box. We are greeted with the leaflet immediately. We have the ESD foam lid. And then we have three main boards. We have the Leonardo board, we have the controller board, and we have the inverter board. So taking out all the separate boards, the controller board and the inverter board. And finally, we also have the motor itself. So it comes pre-packaged already with the motor and a screwdriver to get everything connected in. So taking the Leonardo board and connecting it into the controller board. So the controller board itself, it contains Nexperia gate drivers and multiple other Nexperia components. You'll see that denominated with a little X. And also, more importantly, we have the inverter board, which does the actual driving of the motors. Here we have Nexperia MOSFETs, as well as other Nexperia products on there. And we just click it together nice and easily, as such. And there we go. Now for the motors, the wiring diagram is at the back of the leaflet. So if we look at the wiring diagram, you put it down, and then we start wiring it up. So green goes into V, and blue goes into W. And here we have the Hall effects, which connect in as such. And there we go. Now there are two main ways to power the board. You can either power it from a benchtop power supply, or you can power it through a USB-C cable. And by plugging it in, you're going to see that the LEDs, they light up in a back and forth fashion, which is what we want to see. And everything is green, which is another thing that everything is then working as it should. Now to make the motor spinning, we just turn it on, and it is now spinning. We can also change direction by flipping that switch, and then it switches. Now the point of an evaluation board isn't just to have a spinning motor, the point is to also evaluate products. So we've made it quite easy to evaluate especially MOSFETs on the inverter board. We've given a lot of space for measuring with measuring probes. Also, as well as you have measuring probes, due to the amount of space you have, you can also easily do thermal analysis and thermal measurements. And again, with the amount of space, making soldering and desoldering of parts much easier. For the user manual, visit our website. We also have all the design files, schematics, and code available on our website, as well as GitHub under the MIT-X licenses. And for any more information on how to get your hands on this kit, please visit nexperia.com.